Hello, should I sell all shares at once or in parts when it comes to swing trading stocks, individual stocks? Well, I think if you are not sure if you are selling it too early, then you might try selling some of your shares and hold on to some as well. But I tend to sell all my shares at once. So far this year, there is one stock that I sold a portion because I was not sure if I'm getting out of the trade too early. I purchased at two different times, and I sold the first one a little bit. I sold the first one first, but I think you can try both way and see which one you are comfortable with. A lot of times, or most of the time, I sell all at once. So today we are going to analyze CRM as of June 23, 2026. But first, let's see if I can remember that stock that I sold partial, and that'll be IRM. I purchased the first time. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So I purchased the first time in January 2025 around this support line, but it was on its way down and it was not done. This was not the value line that I should have purchased it. It was the support line supporting the upside wall that it was claiming, and it was done with it and start going down. So I purchased it there and it continued to go down. I purchased it again 2 months later in March and it was not done. It came back down to this support line and then start going up from there. And then it exceeded this first purchase around somewhere here in 2026 and then continue and exceeded all-time highest price, the previous peak somewhere in March of 2026. Went up a little bit more and pulled back a little bit more and start going up, and I was not sure if it was done, so I sold. And in that instance, whether I should sell it or not, and I didn't want to get out of the trade too early, I decided to sell a portion, and I sold because by default, first in, first out. So the first number of shares that I purchased will be sold from that lot. So I sold this one and I'm still holding on to this, and I still don't know if I made a good decision holding on to this one, but because I purchased it closer to the value line, I have a good profit in it. And as for this one, assuming we purchased it around 108 and sold it around 125, it'll be about $17 profit per share on this one. While this one, if we purchase it around $96, and if I have sold it, it will have been $29 profit per share on this one, and I didn't sell it. Currently is around 131. That is $35 profit per share there. So, but what about you? Based on the swing trading strategy you use, do you sell all at once, or do you sell it? Do you sell portion of? Do you sell your share all at once or in par? And when I'm looking at this again, and whether this, because pretty much a new cycle started here and in 2025 and is like a little bit more than 1 year into this cycle, and when I'm looking at this portion, this new cycle here, I will look at the previous peak, and when it touch base with this support line. So we have 1 year and a third here, pretty much 2 years right here. So therefore, based on my assumption, it could take about 2 years as well going up, and is 1 year into it from this support line that it touched base with. So with that in mind, I didn't really want to sell it at all, but then thought maybe it might be just better to get rid of this one that I purchased at a higher price and then hold on to this one. Well, yeah, so today we are going to analyze CRM, and CRM is right at the value line that we like to buy it at. We purchased it right there, but then it went down again. So maybe you purchased it around 186, and right now is around 150. So about $30 difference there, and when there is much gap in it, I like to buy some more. So I'm going to go to maximum monthly chart. Yeah, I'm not seeing any support line below, but this is multiple years long, so therefore it may not go down too much before it will start going up. And where it is right now, what I like to do is I will come back here and I will make a red. Even I purchased it, that's why I highlighted that cell, but I like to make a red, that way I can purchase some more. And this list is alphabetical here. I can look at it to see if I highlight it here. Yes, I highlighted there. And yeah, so just to tell myself that that is on my buy list. If I have money to purchase stocks, the one that I selected red are the one that I will be purchasing. It's still around my buying zone, and there is $30 difference between my first purchase and where the price is right now. So therefore, yes, I might decide to buy some more, even though technically they are not too far from each other. I've been using that strategy and purchase some more of some shares. If I feel like the number of shares that I purchase here is not a lot, and I have money to buy some more, I'll buy some more as well. So that is $30 difference. $30 profit is a lot of money. Therefore, if I buy some more here and it start going up, I will have a good amount of profit in this purchase compared to this one, relatively to where that is. But yeah, I purchased this one around this support line, but because it fell back down, I could purchase some more if I wanted to. And that would be my analysis for CRM. So thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, and swing trading could be another stream of income. Just that small but surely and slowly you will grow your account. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in our personal account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working, what I'm learning here with you, so that if you find some useful tips, you can customize them and improve them to use in your own financial success journey. So will you please use our information with caution. For more videos in this series, will you please check how to start swing trading step by step using long uptrend lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. We sold to sell. So if you are looking for pouches, cloth napkins, or tote bag, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.